Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Impreza WRX STI versus the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which iconic rally-bred machine might be better suited for your preferences. These two cars have battled for supremacy on and off the track for decades, captivating enthusiasts worldwide. Understanding their core characteristics is essential to appreciating their distinct appeals. Let's dive into what makes each of these performance sedans so special. When it comes to performance, both cars are powerhouses, but they achieve it differently. The STI's signature 2.5-liter turbocharged boxer engine provides a unique rumble and broad torque curve. In contrast, the Evo's 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 is known for its high-revving nature and quick spooling turbo. While both can exceed 300 horsepower, the feel behind the wheel is quite distinct, influencing driving style and preference for many enthusiasts. Handling is where these two truly shine, each with its own philosophy. The STI's symmetrical all-wheel drive and driver-controlled center differential offer incredible traction and adjustability. The Evo, however, often features a highly sophisticated active yaw control system, providing razor-sharp turning and exceptional agility. While both cars are incredibly capable on twisty roads and track, the Evo often feels a bit more nimble, whereas the STI offers a more planted and stable sensation. Beyond performance, both cars offer surprising practicality as four-door sedans, making them usable daily drivers. However, their legacies diverge significantly. The STI continues to evolve, maintaining its presence in the performance market. The Evo, sadly, concluded its production run, making later models highly sought after by collectors. Ultimately, choosing which is better often comes down to personal preference for engine character, handling feel, and whether you prefer a current production model or a celebrated, discontinued icon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.